Hi! Today we'll be drawing angel dust with markers. First, we draw the head and hair outline, forming the basic structure. Next, we add wide and expressive eyes. Notice how the details start to bring angel dust to life with the brows. Now, a mouthful of sharp teeth appears, giving angel dust that unique expression. Let's refine those facial features some more. Dots and markings go on the face and head, making angel dust's design really stand out. A bow tie adds a touch of charm under the face, starting to define angel dust's outfit. We sketch in the torso and arms next, placing a snazzy suit on angel dust. The character's look gets even better. Let's complete the suit with extra line details. It's all about texture and style here. Finally, time to splash on some color. Watch those eyes, bow tie, and markings come alive with vivid hues. That's angel dust in full color.